and welcome back on board Blown Away. And this week's video is a break from the norm. We are going to take a look at some of the local wild camping spots that I've been staying at whilst working on the boat. Hope you enjoy the video.
Come to the sun with me, so I can show you something you've never seen.
Hey everybody, and welcome on board SV Blown Away. Now, Blown Away is an old steel sailing yacht from the 1970s, and she is my home. We are currently undergoing maintenance and staying in a camper van, but that time is coming to an end. Good morning from the van, and today we are leaving Meganisi. So my plans, I'm going to drive to Igoumenitsa. I have a ferry from Igoumenitsa on Monday to Brindisi, which is at the heel of the Italian leg, and then I'm going to head up towards Pisa. I'm out of time, I have to leave, I don't have a choice. Joys of Brexit, 90 days and I've used up 70 of them, so I'm out of it. Well, that was way too much fun. Next week we are definitely sanding.